Alrighty, so here's the final video on the concrete. It didn't go as planned, but it turned out okay, pretty well. Especially for the price I paid, I got a pretty good deal on it. Originally, I wanted it to match my driveway. You see it's got the brush finish and then the smooth finish here in the middle. Kind of set off on him, set up a little too quick, and he couldn't get that in there. His helper didn't show up, and it was just one guy doing all this. So it didn't go as planned, but for the price and everything, I'm pretty happy with it. I know I'm in my shadows there. As I said, it's a little rough around the edges in places, but the majority of it's, pretty good. It is 4 inches thick. It's a 4,500 psi, 4 inches thick. And I did want that curb there to separate my neighbor's rocks. That's nice, he got that in there. Yeah, so that's how it turned out. Went ahead and put one relief joint here, at both corners of the house there, so hopefully nothing will crack. And then he followed all the other ones. Of course, the gas meter, and there's my wires for my sprinkler timers. And then that's where I have the extra conduit there, just in case I want to run something in the future. Hopefully this will come off. Yeah, it will. There we go. Couple empty conduits for future use. And I put these gates up at the same time. I had one wooden gate the size of that one there on the right. The other one was just part of the fence. It was rickety as could be. I wanted to go with chain link. So those are in there in the concrete. They're not going anywhere. And I'm going to go ahead and put some privacy netting or solar screening or something on the back so you can't see in the yard. So if there's any concrete guys out there that see this, tell me what you think. I already know it's not perfect. I already know there's a lot of flaws in it, but for the most part, I think it turned out okay. A little rough around there. Quite a bit rough, actually, but as long as it doesn't crack, I'll be happy. I only wanted it to get rid of the rocks and park my trailer here. Alrighty. Thanks for watching.